Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice. If you have a backyard, chances are there's at least one corner that you've thought about turning into something useful. For me, it was this spot right here. Instead of letting it sit empty, I decided to build a chicken coop. But before building anything, I first designed the entire framing in SketchUp so I could see exactly how everything would come together. Now, before we get into the framing of this coop, I already uploaded the framing for the chicken nesting boxes first. It's live on my channel, and you can also find it in the Chicken Coop playlist. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check that out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the framing design for this 16-foot by 8-foot chicken coop step by step. The front wall is 6 feet tall and the back wall is 7 feet 2 inches, which creates a natural slope for the roof so rainwater can easily run off. This design is simple, sturdy, and beginner-friendly, which makes it perfect if you're planning to raise chickens in your backyard. And don't forget, I'm giving away my full chicken coop design plan for free. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel because the PDF works best when paired with my step-by-step videos where I walk you through the entire build. Next, head over to thenovicebuilder.com or click the link in the description below to go straight to my website. Once you're there, click Start Your Coop Journey. That will take you to my complete chicken coop playlist. Scroll down until you see the free chicken coop guide section. To get the guide, you'll need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, and email, then click Download my free guide. After you sign up, check your inbox. Your step-by-step PDF will arrive within 24 hours. Inside the guide, you'll get original SketchUp plans, full measurements, complete tools list, detailed materials list, step-by-step build instructions. It's everything you need to confidently build your own chicken coop from start to finish. So let's start with the tools and materials needed for this project. Tools: circular saw, drill or impact driver, tape measure, speed square, level, pencil, and clamps. Materials: 2x4 pressure-treated lumber for framing, 4x4 posts for stronger corner support, 2x4x8 wall studs and framing, 2x4x16 top and bottom plates, 2x4x9 feet 2 inches base long sides, 2x4x8 base short sides, pressure treated plywood or exterior plywood, 3-inch exterior wood screws, 2.5-inch framing screws, and metal framing brackets recommended. Having all your materials ready before starting makes the build go much smoother. Now, let's walk through the detailed step-by-step framing plan for this chicken coop. Start by preparing a flat, level area where the coop will sit. The foundation should measure 16 feet by 8 feet. For better drainage and durability, you can use gravel, concrete blocks, or deck footings. Tip: make sure the base is level before framing. This prevents twisted walls later. Next, install 5 8-foot 4x4 posts, 1 3-foot 8.7-inch 4x4 post, and 4 9-foot 2-inch 4x4 posts, ensuring that 2 feet of each post is embedded into the foundation to provide stability and prevent the structure from shifting or tipping. The difference in height creates a slight slope, allowing rainwater to drain properly. We're building the base frame using 4x4 lumber to create a strong foundation for the coop. Now let's go over the spacing between the posts. for the 8-foot posts. From the first to the 6th post measures 3 feet 6 inches. From the first post to the second post is 6 feet. From the second to the third post is 1 foot 10 inches. From the third to the fourth post is 8 feet 2 inches. From the fourth to the fifth post is 3 feet. Now for the 9-foot posts. From the first 9-foot post to the 8-foot post is 4 feet 2 inches. From the first to the second 9-foot post is 6 feet. From the second to the third post is 1 foot 10 inches. From the third to the fourth post is 8 feet 2 inches. And from the fourth 9-foot post to the fifth 8-foot post is 4 feet. This elevated section will serve as the main chicken house, raised from the foundation. Next, connect the bottom plates. Install the bottom plates using 2x4 by 16 and 2x4 by 8 boards. These plates connect the vertical posts and form the base of the wall framing. Now add the horizontal wall studs. Cut 2 2x4 by 16 boards and 1 2x4 by 8 board. Install them 1 foot 10 inches above the bottom plates. Now install the top plates. Prepare 2 2x4 by 16 boards and 2 2x4 by 8 boards. Install them along the top perimeter of the frame. The top plates tie the entire structure together. They also provide support for the roof framing. If you want to see how we built the nest box framing, check out our chicken coop playlist. I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow the entire build step by step. At this point, the coop framing should look like a strong skeleton. In the next part of this build, I'll be working on the roof framing and showing how everything comes together. If you want the complete step-by-step instructions for this project, you can download the free guide at thenovicebuilder.com. And don't forget to follow the channel so you can keep up with the rest of the build. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.